AI-driven learning analytics for student success. Title: AI-driven learning analytics for student success. Introduction. In the digital age, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI in education has opened up new possibilities to revolutionize learning processes and enhance student success. One of the most promising applications of AI in education is the use of learning analytics. This article explores the power of AI-driven learning analytics and its potential to transform the educational landscape, ensuring improved outcomes for students. Understanding AI-driven learning analytics. AI-driven learning analytics is a comprehensive approach that combines AI algorithms with big data processing techniques to analyze and interpret educational data. This data includes academic performance, engagement patterns, learning styles, and progress throughout a student's academic journey. Benefits of AI-driven learning analytics. 1. Personalized learning. AI-driven learning analytics allows educators to create personalized learning pathways for individual students. By analyzing a student's learning preferences, strengths, and weaknesses, instructors can provide tailored content and assignments that align with their unique needs. This level of customization enhances engagement and motivation, ultimately leading to improved learning outcomes. 2. Early intervention. Identifying struggling students at an early stage is crucial for providing timely support. AI-driven learning analytics can detect patterns of academic difficulty or disengagement, prompting educators to intervene before problems escalate. Early intervention can prevent dropouts and help students regain focus, resulting in higher retention rates and improved overall academic performance. 3. Predictive analysis. With the ability to analyze historical data, AI-driven learning analytics can predict future outcomes for students. Predictive models help educators anticipate potential challenges and provide appropriate guidance to mitigate them. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of students falling behind and empowers them to stay on track to success. 4. Continuous improvement. Learning analytics enables educators and institutions to assess the effectiveness of teaching strategies and course materials continually. By analyzing data on student engagement and performance, educators can identify areas for improvement and refine their teaching methods accordingly. This iterative process fosters a culture of continuous improvement and innovation in education. 5. Resource optimization. AI-driven learning analytics can assist educational institutions in optimizing their resources efficiently. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI-driven learning analytics holds immense potential, it also presents several challenges and ethical considerations that must be addressed. 1. Data privacy. Collecting and analyzing vast amounts of student data raises concerns about data privacy and security. Institutions must implement robust data protection measures to safeguard sensitive information and ensure compliance with relevant privacy regulations. 2. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms may unintentionally perpetuate biases present in the data they are trained on. This could result in unfair treatment or discriminatory outcomes for certain student groups. Ensuring fairness and addressing bias in AI-driven learning analytics is vital to promoting equitable educational opportunities for all. 3. Over-reliance on data. While data-driven decision-making is valuable, it should not replace the insights and experience of educators. Teachers play a critical role in understanding the complexities of the classroom and must retain their autonomy in the educational process. 4. Student engagement. Excessive monitoring and analysis of student data could lead to reduced student engagement and autonomy. Striking a balance between data collection and fostering a positive learning environment is essential for sustainable educational practices. Implementing AI-driven learning analytics. To successfully implement AI-driven learning analytics, educational institutions should consider the following steps. 1. Data collection. Establish a systematic data collection process to gather relevant student information, including academic performance, attendance, behavior, and engagement data. Ensure that data collection adheres to privacy regulations and ethical guidelines. 2. Technology infrastructure. Invest in robust technology infrastructure capable of processing and storing large volumes of data securely. Cloud-based solutions can be particularly helpful for scalability and accessibility. 4. AI algorithms and models. Select appropriate AI algorithms and models that align with the institution's objectives. These models could include predictive analytics, sentiment analysis, clustering, and recommendation systems. 5. Educator training. Provide comprehensive training to educators and administrators on the use of AI-driven learning analytics tools. This training should include data interpretation, ethical considerations, and effective implementation strategies. 7. Continuous evaluation. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of AI-driven learning analytics and make necessary adjustments based on feedback from educators and students. Promoting student success through AI-driven learning analytics. As educational institutions continue to embrace AI-driven learning analytics, the focus should remain on promoting student success and well-being. Here are some ways in which AI-driven learning analytics can be leveraged to enhance student outcomes. 1. Personalized interventions. With the insights gained from AI-driven learning analytics, educators can implement targeted interventions for students who need additional support. For instance, if the analytics identify a student struggling with a specific concept, the teacher can offer additional resources or one-on-one support to address the issue promptly. This personalized approach can boost the student's confidence and lead to better academic performance. 2. Adaptive learning. AI-driven learning analytics can power adaptive learning platforms that adjust course content and difficulty levels based on individual student progress and performance. These platforms can dynamically tailor the learning experience to suit each student's pace, learning style, and preferences, creating a more engaging and effective learning journey. 3. Early warning systems. Implementing early warning systems based on AI-driven learning analytics can help identify students at risk of falling behind or dropping out. These systems can track warning signs such as low attendance, declining grades, or disengagement, enabling educators to intervene proactively and provide necessary support to keep students on track. 4. Learning resource optimization. AI-driven learning analytics can help educational institutions optimize their resources efficiently. By identifying popular and effective learning materials and resources, institutions can curate content that best suits the needs of their students, ensuring a more impactful learning experience. 5. Adaptive assessment. AI-driven learning analytics can be employed to design adaptive assessments that cater to each student's proficiency level. Such assessments adjust the difficulty of questions based on the student's responses, providing a more accurate measure of their knowledge and promoting a deeper understanding of the subject matter. 6. Targeted academic guidance. AI-driven learning analytics can be used to provide students with targeted academic guidance and career counseling.